Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today is my lunch meal. I want to try to make Yurinchi. You know the Yurinchi? It's a little bit famous of Chinese menu, Chinese recipe using the chicken thigh. So try to make deep fry chicken thigh, then serving with long leek, then vinegar, and another umami sauce mixed up, serving with garlic and ginger, sugar and soy sauce, making a good sauce on top. It's a little bit kind of like a sweet and sour, and chopped the green onion sauce on top, serving with deep fried chicken called Yurinchi. It's a really famous recipe in Chinese recipe. But I'm just trying to make my original sauce on top. Okay? I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm gonna make sauce first. So Yurinchi have to need long leek, chopped long leek, I'm gonna make sauce first. Little bit. Mixed up. Brown sugar, vinegar, 50 cc. And Chinese sake a little bit, just added flavor. Pepper little. Shiro dashi. Soy sauce. This is my original. This one is Yuzu kosho, Japanese citrus paste with salt. Good flavor. Okay. Good. Also, this one is Yuzu skin, Japanese citrus skin. I'm always keep in my freezer. good season in winter, a good smell. It's so good seasoning. Yuzu, suki. I mean chop. This is my original Yurinchi sauce and a little bit more sweet flavor, honey, just a little bit. It's good. Okay, Yurinchi sauce is done. Making it flat. This is meat tenderizer. Good too. A little bit salt. Pepper. Ginger, garlic. Okay. Ginger. A little bit 白だし just a little bit. Egg. This is starch. Okay. second time. High temperature 180 gas. Diced cabbage and onion. Yurinchi. Hey, this is my original sauce on top, Yurinchi, deep fried chicken thigh, and serving with on top original little bit sweet and vinegar and chopped green onion sauce. I'm just mixed up with my flavor, Yuzu kosho flavor. いただきます。ユリンチ。See? No. So good. So tasty. Good sour flavor. So outside is crunchy in texture, deep fried chicken thigh, and good matching with sweet and sour Yurinchi sauce. So crispy and so good matching with my original sauce. I can feel Yuzu, Japanese strong flavor. Good balance. Please try it. Yurinchi, my original recipe. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good year. Yurinchi. Bye.